so I am going to be showing you guys how to use the ultrasonic cleaner. You can use the ultrasonic cleaner for a variety of products that are used in your mouth, dental appliances. So you can use it for your night guard, you can use it for your clear aligners, your wire retainer. You can also use it for your Essig retainer. You can also use it for any type of appliance that you will wear frequently in your mouth, even your TMJ appliances and things like that. So this is the ultrasonic retainer cleaner. On the bottom of the retainer cleaner, you have a slot for the batteries. You want to use 2 AA batteries in there. Make sure you put them in there correctly. Then you're going to close it back. It also has an on and off switch in the back, and that is where you are going to use to turn on the appliance. So to start off, you're going to make sure that your appliance is free of any debris in there. You want to also go ahead and use warm water in your appliance, not cold water or really hot water, because you don't want to warp your appliance. What you want to do is go ahead and pour some warm water into your appliance. And as you can see, this is the fill line. It doesn't actually have a fill line on the appliance, but that's about enough water that you'll need to use the appliance. So you also want to use one of the ultrasonic cleaning tabs. This is one of the ones we use. You just want to drop it in there and let it start to dissolve. And you'll also want to go ahead and turn your appliance on, because it'll make it dissolve a lot faster. So the ultrasonic cleaning machine uses ultrasonic waves to vibrate any debris, tartar, calculus, food, and any stains that you have on your appliance off. After your tablet has fully dissolved, you want to just make sure your machine is on, and you can take your appliance and drop it in there. You want to close the top, and you can let that vibrate for about 15 minutes. So once the 15 minutes is up, you can turn your machine off. You'll take the retainer or appliance that you have out. You want to make sure that you rinse it, and then it is ready to go for your next use. We have these in our office, and ours comes with the tabs included.